As you can see, our choco pie is so soft that it is broken by the spoon only. So hello and we Tummy Hunters, welcome you all guys on our channel, and please ensure to hit the subscribe button for getting more experimental videos like this. For this we need 6 biscuits. Now we're going to pipe some whipping cream on biscuits. After wiping, we want to put one biscuit on the top of whipping cream and press it so that the excess of the cream comes out. With the help of knife, we are going to take this off. And if you are thinking the cream is still more, then press a little bit and wipe the excess cream which is coming out. We'll do this the same. Now we're going to freeze it for 10 minutes. Now it's time for making a chocolate layer. For this I'm using a modern art chocolate, as it is very difficult to find a chocolate in market, so I give a link in the description, you can buy from there. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter and melt this chocolate. I use the double boiler, you can use also microwave. After melting this, you can see that chocolate is melted but still it is hard. So make it soft. We're going to add half cup of milk and mix it thoroughly so that the thickness of chocolate come down. Now you can see that our chocolate is become very smooth. Now we're going to dip our biscuits in chocolate ganache. Here we're going to first fill up the side part by rolling them in a chocolate sauce. After that, we want to put some chocolate on the top of the biscuit, and with the help of a knife we want to spread it all over. And again we have to freeze it for 20 minutes so that the chocolate sets up. Once the chocolate sets up, we are going to apply chocolate on the other side of the biscuits. And in the same way, we want to spread our chocolate on our whole biscuit. After this, we have to freeze this biscuit for at least 6 to 8 hours so that the biscuit get humid and become soft. Please don't put this in a freezer. And after freezing for 6 to 8 hours, this biscuit become very soft. As you can see, it is cutted only by the spoon, and as I press, it is pressing very smoothly. So in this way we are going to make our choco pie at our home. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment and hit subscribe button.